in his green little top.
Oh, la, la.
I've got you in a pink. I've got you in a pink top, the blue top. What are you saying? This outfit? Woo! Top. This is the green one. I want to see your wardrobe, you know. And what's your name? Introduce. Oh, fucking hell. What is that?
Star Wars.
Wow. You proper, you know, you like your gadgets, huh?
I love my
What's your
gadgets.
name? Introduce yourself.
My name is Porsche.
Like, who has a name like this?
Only me in the whole entire universe as in today.
Can I invite you for the interview session to my channel?
Sure. Absolutely.
I think my viewers would really like you.
We'll sit down and we'll chit chat. We'll see what's up. For sure. No worries
How
at all.
much?
We talk about it. It's easy. I'm negotiable.
He's
you
my
know.
neighbor, by the way. Give me a five. Give me a five. Look at this one. Look at this one.
You know the movie